Top story of the night, obviously, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals overturning Idaho's ban on same-sex marriage. We wanted to continue our team report tonight with Deborah Ferguson, the attorney for the plaintiffs, and all of the plaintiffs in the Fox 9 studios. I'm not sure this is exactly where you wanted to be on this story tonight, but we appreciate you all being with us. Deborah, let's start. You heard John Runft over there kind of talking about the mandate that was issued tonight by the Ninth Circuit, saying this shall forthwith happen. It's legalese. Is gay marriage legal in Idaho tonight?
Yes, yes it is. In fact, the decision which came out that Mr. Rump was referencing, the 90-plus page decision, had that language. But later this evening at 6:30, the Ninth Circuit issued another order saying that the appeal takes effect on this date, October 7th.
So in your opinion, at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, when the Ada County Registrar Clerk's office opens, what should be happening?
Marriage licenses should be issued to same-sex couples in Idaho.
And who will be there?
We'll be there.
We'll be there. To celebrate and to get married.
Yes,
correct?
absolutely.
So Deborah, tell me this. What happens if they're not being issued at 8 a.m.? Where does this go from here?
Well, when if the marriage licenses aren't issued by the state, then the state is not in compliance with the judge's order, the district court's order, and we would file an emergency motion should that happen.
All right, so there's more to come on this behind the scenes. Let's talk about the personal side, ladies. You all have been the face of this. How has it been for you personally in your homes? People want to know, have you been treated poorly? Have you been treated well? Are there any stories to tell?
We've been treated incredibly well and had great support from friends, from family, and frankly even from strangers. We had a neighbor knock on our door who we don't know well, who handed us a bottle of wine when we had the original decision granted. We've had people sending us their well wishes and their thanks for taking a stand and for being a part of this effort.
Why is this so important? I mean, there may be people at home just saying, same-sex marriage doesn't affect my life. Why do I really care? Why should everybody care?
I think everyone, whether they realize it or not, knows someone who's gay. And when you have those people in your life that you love and care about, I think about my sisters and my nephews, and it's for them, it's just supporting somebody you love. It's second nature. It's reaching out to people and just saying you're my neighbor. You're a part of Idaho and who we are, and it's rather simple when you think of it in those terms.
And some of you are already parents, correct?
Yes.
What does this mean as a parent?
It means the world to me. It means we'll be able to raise our son in a family that is legally recognized. We'll have all the protections like other families, and we'll have that security behind us.
I've talked with some attorneys tonight, and they think that the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, when issuing this order, was pretty harsh in its statement, even talking about the parental bond and love. I know you probably all haven't read it cover to cover, but initial thoughts on the order that was given, the ruling, and the mandate?
Their legal argument assumes that we don't have children and that we're not families. And if they really were fighting for the rights of children, they would be fighting for our right to marry too, to protect our families.
So are you ready to continue fighting? Because it sounds like from the Attorney General that it may still have a ways to go. Are you ready to continue this?
We'll keep
on keeping on.
Yeah.
Deborah, tomorrow, 8 a.m., where are you going to be?
I think I'll be at the Ada County Recorder's office with some very special clients.
Fantastic. Ladies, thank you all for being in here tonight. We appreciate it very much.
Thank you.
Nice hearing from all of you, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll be live with you tomorrow morning.
Great. Thank you.